We're hosting the Afrofuturism Conference in San Mateo County to show youth their excellence as Black youth and just to provide education. I believe in Afrofuturism, we as Black people are reclaiming our power in any way we see fit, whether it be through art, through writing, through the way we speak, through what we speak about, through how we convey our feelings in any way, shape, or form. It is empowering ourselves and empowering our community.
I see a future with more Black representation in a developed world where Black people are not struggling, but they're striving in the world.
Afrofuturism, my vision for it would be to become like more of one. We all have each other's back, like we all care, have like an unbreakable community.
I'm excited just to create art, learn more, and have fun here.
This is an event for education, it's for furthering the mind, furthering knowledge, and furthering empowerment. And you can tell there was more of like a communal feel and a feel of safety, especially as like for these Black students to see other Black adults caring for them, other Black students caring for each other.
From the moment I got here, I felt very like welcome, and I learned a lot about things I didn't know about.
We need to keep fighting for equal access, equal protections, fight against the inherent racism within our society, and give especially our youth, especially our Black youth, and the chance to be themselves and the chance to just feel safe and feel belonging.
Say it with me, y'all.
Black brilliance!
Say it with me louder.
Black brilliance!